Pawpaw, Sammy, and Elderbug. It's at the time of the year. If you look at my raised beds, the season hasn't gone yet. So I'm going to show you today how I make my raised beds, how I've been doing it for years. Very economical and very quick. All right, number one, I cut the grass, the leaves fall, I rake it with the Craftsman's rake. And what I'm looking for is this right here. All right, and I come out here. This one I started a year or so ago. What I do is, if you look how soft that ground is, look the shovel just digs in. It bounces there. But that right there is the old pea vine from last year. Now, what I do is, first thing I do is I take my cardboard and I take my razor knife. And people, that's for a reason.
What's the reason?
All right, when you throw it in there, you won't. Cardboard deteriorates quick if it's wet. So you wet your ground down and just soak it. You throw your cardboard in there after you score it, and you soak it. Those little cuts and notches I made, the water soaks into the cardboard. Okay? And you continue. I go through so much cardboard a year, Walmart thinks I'm a disposal service. In fact, this is all I got left. None. It's all gone. Between my worms and these beds, it's all gone. Anyway, you continue on around. Okay? Let me get a little bit more in there.
So what you're showing them is how to start a raised bed.
That's right. Now, that's the process. You do this right there. Then you come back with your leaves and your grass from the yard, and you cover it up. But you saturate everything with water. Soak it. You're not planting right now, so you can't get too much water. Soak it. And continue all the way around. Now, this one has no boundary. This one here does. This one's, I don't know, 6, 7 years old. Every year, it gets the same treatment as that. See the cardboard? Look. See that? See the grass? Look at that dirt. Look at that. It's hard to believe. That's the prettiest black, and look at the worms. See them? Right there? Look. It's full of worms. In fact, there's a potato coming up right there.
Is there anything between the bottom of this bed and the grass?
No. Cardboard only. And that cardboard gone.
Why don't you put any kind of plastic or mesh to keep things from coming up from the bottom?
Well, it's been my experience. You go ahead and use the garden fabric and stuff like that. It stops the grass. Yeah. 4 or 5 years from now, you got all that fabric and plastic down in there. You can't get it out. It's ugly, and it don't serve a purpose anymore. Use cardboard. Now on this grass you see in here, that right there,
It's clover.
clover. And the reason that's there,
Nitrogen fixer.
puts nitrogen in the soil. Now when it gets too much, I'll pull some of that out. But that's all you see in my beds is clover. Or whatever I plant, my garlic over yonder. That's all you need to do. Now if you don't have access to all this, you get your shovel, and you come out here, and you take your board, and you say, well, I'm going to make my little bed 6 by 6 by 6 or whatever. And you take and you dig. Dig it down maybe a foot, 8 inches, whatever you want. Put your dirt on the side. Come right back with your leaves, your rotten sticks, your cardboard, your paper, and pour it in that hole you just dug. Put your dirt back on top of it. You just...
Grass down,
That's
right?
right.
Put the dirt up, the grass down.
That's right.
Then cover it with mulch again, more leaves so it doesn't
more
dry out.
cardboard, wet it down good with some more leaves and grass. And when you're ready to plant your plants, go out there with your razor knife or your a kitchen knife or your fingers and cut your cardboard, plant your plant down in there, and it will grow, people. That's how I do this.